everyone, this is KSTYLEYO. So today I'm going to talk about the multiple meanings of lo. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Inyoung. I post videos about Korean language and culture every single week. If that interests you, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So today I'm going to talk about this particle, lo. Lo is used after a noun. If the noun ends with a vowel, you're gonna use lo. If it ends with a consonant, you're gonna use 으로. There are 5 different meanings I'm gonna go through in this video. We have a lot to cover, so let's get started. The first one is location particle. You can think of it as to or towards. First example, 이번 연도에 한국으로 여행할 거예요. 이번, this time, 연도 is year. This year, we say 이번 연도. This is time particle. 한국, South Korea, 으로, towards. 여행하다 verb, travel. 알 거예요 becomes will, future tense. 이번 연도에 한국으로 여행할 거예요. I'll travel towards, to South Korea this year. Another example, 이쪽으로 오세요. Please come this way. 이쪽 is this side, 으로 is towards. Technically, the literal meaning is towards this side. 오세요, 오다 to come, 세요 please. Please come towards this side. You can interpret it as please come this way. The second meaning of lo is by, with transportation. 한국에 비행기로 왔어요. I came to South Korea by airplane. 한국, South Korea, 의 location particle, 비행기, that is airplane, 로, by. 왔어요 is came in the past tense. I came to South Korea by airplane. 한국에 비행기로 왔어요. Second example, I go to school by the bus. 학교에 버스로 가요. 학교, school에 location particle, 버스, that is bus, 로, by. 가요, go. I go to school by the bus. 학교에 버스로 가요. The third meaning of lo, this is with using tool. 김밥을 젓가락으로 드세요. 김밥 is literally means seaweed and rice. You may be associated with sushi roll, but this kimbap is rolled outside. Anyway, 김밥을 젓가락으로 드세요. Please eat kimbap with using chopsticks. 김밥을 object particle, 젓가락, this is chopsticks, 으로. Because 젓가락 ends with a consonant, I use 으로. 드세요. It's the verb 드시다, eat in an honorific way. 세요, please. 김밥을 젓가락으로 드세요. Please eat kimbap with using chopsticks. Please wipe with this towel. 이 수건으로 닦으세요. Eat this, 수건, this is towel, 으로, with, like using the tools. In this case, this is towel. 닦으세요, 닦다, this is wipe. 으세요, please. 이 수건으로 닦으세요. Please wipe with this towel. The fourth meaning of lo is you can think of it as something as someone. For example, 저는 행복을 성공으로 여겨요. I consider happiness as success. 저는 I implies speech, 는 subject particle, 행복을, 행복 is happiness, 을 with object particle, 성공 success, 으로 as. 여겨요 is 여기다 verb is to treat or consider. 저는 행복을 성공으로 여겨요. I consider happiness as success. I stood on the stage as a singer. 저는 가수로 무대에 섰어요. 저는 I again implies speech, 는 subject particle, 가수, singer. 로, as 무대에 is stage with location particle 섰어요. 서다 verb is to stand. This is in the past tense. 저는 가수로 무대에 섰어요. I stood on the stage as a singer. Now the last meaning of 로, ready? Is into. This is used with a verb that is to change or turn. So turn into something or someone. First example, 제 동료는 사장으로 승진했어요. 제 말 in polite speech, 동료, 동료. Even though it starts with L, you can pronounce it as N. 동료. 는 subject particle, 사장, president of the company. 사장으로 into 승진했어요. 승진하다 to promote. My colleague has been promoted into the president of the CEO. 제 동료는 사장으로 승진했어요. 얼음은 물로 변했어요. Ice turned into water. 얼음, it's not 여름. 여름 is summer. 얼음. 얼음 becomes 얼음. 얼음은 subject particle 물로. Water with 로. into. 변했어요. Changed. What has changed? The ice has changed into water. 얼음은 물로 변했어요. The bonus example for the last meaning, you may hear this in dramas or K-pop lyrics. 너 다른 사람으로 변하는 것 같아. This is in casual speech. It seems you're turning into a different person. 너, you, 다른 사람, different person으로 into 변하다 is to change. 는 것 같다. This is it seems. So it seems you're turning into a different person. 너 다른 사람으로 변하는 것 같아. So let's just recap about what we studied today. So there are 5 meanings of 로. This particle is used after a noun. If it ends with a consonant, 으로. If it ends with a vowel, it's 로. The first meaning of 로 is location particle, as in to or towards. The second one is by, when you use with transportation. The third one is with, using tools. The fourth one as something or someone. The last one is into something or someone, usually when the verbs are change or turn. I hope you like this video. I know that this topic is very complicated. If you want to get the free PDF of this summary about this video, please click the link in the description box. And if you have any questions, always I welcome your comments and questions. Try to make your own examples in the comment section so that I know that you understood this topic. And I see you guys next time. Bye bye.